Well, Microsoft has taken a couple of notes from what you do with social media and brought that into their communication platforms throughout Microsoft 365. We're going to talk about how you can use that in this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support, and I appreciate you spending a couple minutes of your day with me. So we're going to be talking about using the @ button or the @ symbol inside of Microsoft 365 and how beneficial that could be with communication, make that ease. Now, we all know how to use @ inside of social media. You @ someone, that you can tag them in pictures and photos and write to them, all kinds of cool things for you to notify them that you're including them inside of a message. Well, you can now bring that into email in a Microsoft Teams. And a couple ways you can do that is if you're responding to an email, you could just type in, let's say I'm sending an email to our boss, just @ type in Blake, select his name, and it's going to embed it in there to ask him a question and then automatically attach him to that email whenever it's sent. Another nice area that you can use this is inside of Microsoft Teams. If you're talking in a group of people, but you have a specific question for someone that is inside of that group, you can put I'll put @Blake and I'll tag him in there, and then he'll get a notification on his Microsoft Teams that not only does he have a message, but he has a message directed towards him. That way he knows that question goes towards him inside of that group of individuals. So people may not be wondering, hey, who is being addressed inside of this question? I hope that helps you out, gives you a little bit of a knowledge as far as how to direct and use things using @ in the world of business compared to just what you do with your social media. As always, though, if you have any other IT thorns sticking in your side you'd like to chat about, more than happy to see if CCS is the potential right partner to assist and take care of that for you. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. You can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Also, if you enjoy these, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next week. Have a great rest of your time. Thank you so much.